So they have several different kind and brand. Seeing the price, man. 3,000 for the four. $6,583 for this one. The one I can't afford that. Can't afford that, you know. Universal performance. So maybe 2,500. It's not everything I saw cost. All this thing ever fix the crack. I have to just look around until I find the right thing. You see, sitting like this, them sell me, you know. See, same looking thing like this one. Oh, see, this them sell me. This I want to go for come sell me. That shit don't work, man. You know the flap works so far. I think I'm gonna get one of these here. Because I don't think the overflow, I don't think something is wrong with the overflow. Once the valve vessel, this one, once that shut off, the overflow should be alright. And me no need a flap. because the flap is okay. Saying the whole complete kit right there, sir. That's too expensive for me right now. That's about $7,000. Never open up the box and look on it. And sometimes you have to do these things before you carry them home. Like I just basic things, field sell. Fields not supply the unique things, you know? And I said, I'm gonna try this one. And if it not work, I guess I'm gonna have to just bring it back and exchange it with something else.
Use the oatmeal. I don't want the no, the oatmeal one. Red. I don't say the blue one for me to work on that one. No, no. I want to do everything. One can do everything. Yeah, that one they can do everything. All of them. Work with them. Yeah, that's one of them.
I'll grab that one. They have a wider inventory right here, so I'm more of a fields. You not get to look on the things and see them for yourself. Somebody will go behind, go around some corner and some walls, pick it up and bring come gear and all them kind of things there. It's like you just subject it to what them supply you with. I mean, people like to view them things just like I come to them big store and you like to look on your things and choose them. Certain things, and I feel it's hardware now, you have to wait for the salesperson to go get it for you. You know? People want to look on the things for themselves and choose what they want. You understand me? But we don't know how them things are going already. You know, we give thanks to Fields because Fields is you get your steel, you get your boards and all that. So everything have a difference, you know. Everything have a difference and a significance. Saying, but I think I'll get this one. If it don't work, me just take it back and get it exchanged. think that will do it for me today, you know. And I'm have the paint section. So I may ask you a certain kind of paint. You know, the new kind of paint that I'm coming in, the one you can paint your tile, paint your floor with. Them the way I sit on the web down in a virgin, you know, them have them in the island chest.
Yeah, it's a mixed one. It's about 7,000.
Like a thousand difference from regular versus.
Yeah, one this.
But it's like a $500 difference. It could be as much as $1,000 price range.
Ah, you have the floor coating paint.
Floor paint.
Uh-huh.
I'm talking water or oil.
Oil is like a tile thing, you know. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Seems like they have it here. So I said, boy, I have to order them things online, but I guess the people them stay connected, Virgin. See there? Yeah. Water-based, solid color, concrete driveway, in a mill. And you say these are for 9,000? Interior and exterior, see that this one? $9,000 for that, you know. I wonder how much this can do. It's an extra wide base. Can you imagine how people are buy this one? Man, I can't bother if you lay in a tile no more, man. Tile thing that take too much. You see, you just concrete the floor and just paint that over here.
8,625.
Okay, how much can one do?
One gallon couple 300 square feet. I need 2 quarter, so it's a 150.
All right, thanks. Yeah. Now I run no more tile and I want to do it on the roof. And once I put it on the roof, when I build on it now, I still can go back over it and do a next one. I'm glad to know say a place. There we have it. Cause I have some little place, you know, them just sketch crap, you know. No, they don't have no wide inventory. One of the place where you know so they have a wide inventory where you can source out your product where you need. So I grab this and hopefully say it work. See? Need to start do some more work on my house right now, and this blasted 2 man, I'm a Bombay just boom cha. Blasted 2 man in my back here, you know, man. You know, man, I give me a problem, you know. I set back, you know. I rebuke you, devil, in the name of Jesus Christ, who is Yeshua the Most High, to get out. Yeah. So I eat that in my people. I grab this and go on down the line, you know.